how to add random people on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add new and random people on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Friends tab, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the Friends tab, what you can do is you can just tap on the Add Friends icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you tap on it, you'll see the interface like this. Now Snapchat here will display a list of suggested users that you may know, and this recommendation may be based on mutual friends, your contacts, shared interest, or other connection as well. So here, to send a friend request, you simply have to tap on the add button. And now here, once you do that, your friend request will be sent, and if they accept it, you will be connected on Snapchat. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.